I'm out on a little solo hike this morning. My kid's at mountain bike practice, so I've just spent the past few hours on a little hike. And since we're talking about first aid kits this month here at Hike Like a Woman, what I wanted to do is just show you what is in my first aid kit when I'm out on a solo hike. As you can see, this is my kit here. It's, you know, smaller than Nalgene. I think I'm prepared for just about everything. So let's see what's in it. All right, the first thing is a triangle bandage. I just think these are super useful. You can use them as like compression gauze, you can sling, whatever. I also have an emergency blanket. Just a little roll of gauze. A syringe. Syringes are great for cleaning out wounds, and it's not like I'm worried about getting road rash when I'm out on a hike, but my kids at mountain biking practice, there's a lot of mountain bikers out on these trails, and so I just want to be a little bit prepared so that I can help somebody clean out a wound if they fall and slide and get a ton of road rash. The next thing I have is a little baggie with some bandages, tweezers. One thing that I actually use a ton on the trail is tweezers, splinters, cactus needles, whatever, whistle, lip balm, Neosporin, Band-Aids. I have a lighter, a knife, and it's pink, it's cute, and some medications. All I carry when I'm out on a day hike is a little bit of ibuprofen for me, and then I have these children doses for my kids and Benadryl. I don't carry anything else because, you know, if I'm out on a day hike, if I start to feel really lousy, I can just go home. And finally, my blister kit. So this is scissors, moleskin, and a little bit of athletic tape. That's what I have. And I feel comfortable with this kit. It has everything that I would need to take care of really any accident or injury that I would find on my local trail. We're only about 10 minutes from town here. We have cell phone service. So this is really just like a patch up and wait for help kit, or a patch up, get to the trailhead and go to the hospital kit. So anyway, that's what I have. I'm curious, what do you have in your kit? Or what do you think I'm missing from my kit? Is there something that you really feel strongly that should be in every single first aid kit that I don't have? Drop me a comment below. Thanks so much. I'll see you out on the trails with your fully stocked first aid kit.